Hello, I hope you're having a great Monday. This is Matt from the Residual Royalty Academy. My intention and goal on this channel is to show you and teach you how to go from zero to over $1,000 in passive income each and every month. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you a recent win. So we're currently coming up to the end of December. This has been an absolutely insane, record-breaking month for me so far. And you can see that this day here, I earned $378 in royalties. It might even be a bit more if I checked on the actual KDP website, because the exchange rate that KDP uses is different to the one that Book Report uses. So KDP is usually a bit higher, so maybe 385 or 390 in dollars. That's around £300 in Great British Sterling, which is the currency that I use here in England. So I'm just going to show you in this video where the sales came from. So here you can see the earnings by book. You can see there's plenty of different books that sold, but there's one of the books there that has done quite a lot of the work on its own, and I'll show you why that is right now. So you can see there's $232 from Amazon.com and $145 from .co.uk, with $1.40 coming from Canada. So you can see here that one book here was bulk ordered 91 times. So I would assume that somebody has bought one copy and then another person has bought 90 copies. Now that is just a standard notebook. It's a notebook that never really sells for me, very, very rarely. And obviously somebody just really liked the design, so they've bought it. I'm just going to run through what the other books are. This one here is sort of a logbook, but it's not really. I can't really give away the niche to you, otherwise the niche would get crowded with people also publishing this type of book. This one here with 6 is a notebook, and then we've got a notebook. Mostly these are all going to be notebooks, but I'll tell you the ones which aren't. So you got this one here with 5 sales. That is a new type of book that I've been creating, which I'll be revealing to you very soon and teaching you how to make yourself. And of course, that will be added to the Royalty Accelerator course, which is the advanced KDP course, which you can get your hands on actually on Wednesday. On Christmas Day, it's going to be discounted, so watch out for the video on Wednesday and come and check the sales page for the discount on Christmas Day. That's my Christmas present to you, and I really hope that you take advantage. And if you've been thinking about buying it, Wednesday is the day to do it, because it's going to be a quite decent discount, so make sure not to forget that. So we keep scrolling down. We've got more notebooks. This is a new niche that I've just started publishing in, which is doing really, really well. We've got more notebooks. This again is that new type that I've just mentioned to you that I'll be teaching you how to do very soon. Keep going down. Keep going down. This is again that new niche. And again. And then we keep going down and down and down. These are all notebooks. Different niches, different pen names. This one here, again, is that logbook type one that I was telling you about earlier that I can't quite reveal. And we keep going down. That's the same one. That's, again, that logbook type. But as I say, unfortunately, I can't reveal what that one is. Otherwise, the niche will get really, really crowded. We keep going down. These are mostly notebooks. And then you've got another one there that I can't tell you what it is. More notebooks, more notebooks, more notebooks. Haven't really got many guest books selling on this day, but that's absolutely fine. And this day wasn't even an expanded distribution date, so it's absolutely crazy that I've sold so many books. And at the bottom, that is the new type that I've been creating, as is this one here actually as well. I know you can't see the title, but you'll just have to trust me. So yeah, as I say, this was a great day. $380 is complete. It's a new record for me. I think it was around 220 units. Oh, there we go. It does say there, 223 units. And, you know, along with other income streams, this was over a $500 day, which for me is a record, and it's absolutely insane to start seeing these huge numbers and all the hard work paying off. But if you want to do the same, just make sure you signed up to the free course. The link will be in the description. But if you think you already know some stuff about KDP, but you just want to blow up your royalties that bit further, then watch out for the video on Wednesday, and you can get the Royalty Accelerator course at a discount as my Christmas gift to you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been inspirational, aspirational, whatever big adjectives we want to throw in there. And I'll see you in the next video on Wednesday.